so excited. Good morning. It is currently almost 7 a.m. We're gonna go get some breakfast downstairs first, and then we'll head out for Universal.
Let's go. All the iced latte. There you go.
Good morning, Mr. Citizen. That's the cutest one ever.
Look who just got a fruit bowl.
I got berries today. I like berries.
Oh, thank you.
We are back from breakfast and just finishing up getting ready to go to Universal today. But yeah, this is my first time going to Universal ever. And I am 24. That's epic. Yeah, I'm super excited. It's gonna be a long ass day in a good way.
Temps drop to the 80s, less humidity. Watch out for a thunder bumper this afternoon. We just might get it.
I am so excited.
The Mario Kart girl?
Yeah, I think so. You can jump into it. We're going all the way to the end of the Mario Kart line because we don't think that's gonna get any shorter. Also, definitely bring a fan, like, recommend, super duper.
Nice. And here we go. I'm literally in the driver's seat.
The 2-hour wait, let's go. Oh, I see. Oh, this is it. We're spinning. Awesome. I've only seen this on videos on YouTube. I need to buy a wand. We need to do that. Public conveniences. Isn't that epic?
The Forbidden Journey.
Forbidden Journey. That's where we're going now. 40-minute wait. Let's do this.
You're about to enter the defense against the dark arts classroom.
Perhaps another time. The point is, Professor Binns is very, very boring. Which is understandable, because he's good at 10.
Now rid yourself of objects. My poke scratch. Take your
No, not that, please. I'm scared. I'm not looking, Jacob. I'm literally not looking. Look at him. Expecto Patrona. Patrona. Bye. Oh, I yelled so much. I just get my heart rate down. Hogwarts students are getting fed.
Look at that.
I think the corn is the best part of this whole meal.
Really?
She left me lonely. Now I see her in my dreams.
Right here.
We're a director's car. Because Director Jacob is here.
Again on my knees. Oh, she left me lonely.
Good afternoon. Welcome aboard.
She was the only. Now I feel so incomplete. Yeah, she left me.
Oh, there he is.
Yeah, she left me lonely.
We're going to create a storm. We're not going to use any computer effects. We're not going to use any CGI. We're going to use sprinklers, and they're hidden in the trees on both sides of the tram. We're going to turn them on. Watch how easy it is to create a storm on cue. But the problem with this special effect, we do it all day. Every time a tram stops here, it rains. All the water's recycled, but the set is built on a hill. And over the course of the day, a lot of water builds at the top of the hill. At one point, it all rushes down and creates a flood. And there's been a few times the flood has hit one of the trams. Uh-oh. Wait a minute. Now look up at one of the monitors, and here's that flash flood in a scene from the movie Big Fat Liar.
I swear it's hard to believe.
The water. That's a big shark. It's coming towards us. You all right? The shark ate it. Yay!
Hot. I can feel that. Oh, I can feel the hot.
I see it.
Oh, Jacob.
Can't see him. There it is. Oh my god, you almost got used, girl.
She was the only. Now I feel so incomplete. Yeah. nothing can tempt me. I'm staying at the house tonight. To forget I feel whole, but still she left me.
I'm a hubba hubba.
Got me back in on my knees. Oh, she left me lonely. I swear it's hard to believe. She was the only. Now I feel so incomplete. Yeah.
Now these connections can be a little bit complex, really. Close your eyes, just.
Which one is?
All slightly different. So do you want one that's like a copycat, or do I want one that's just me?
The unboxing of Luna Lovegood. We have our wand, everyone. Right here.
How do you do it?
What about Rise of the, or Flight of the Hippogriff? Is it even on there?
Yeah, Hippogriff 25 minutes. Not bad. Revenge of the Mummy 35.
Oh, the Mummy's open.
Mm-hmm.
Mummy's fun.
There was like dripping, like wet. That was wild. That was really wild. My hair is a mess. It's dark in the park now. Last 2 hours at the park.
It is nighttime now.
Yes.
I feel a lot better.
Now we're trying to figure out how we want to spend this last 2 hours, but I think we're going back to Hogwarts.
Hogwarts?
To the wizarding world of Harry Potter. There's like more things going on here. Oh, like they're all out here. What's it called? The
Death
Eaters, the Death Eaters. Oh, Death Eaters. That is actually so cool. That is so cool. I'm a delightful creature.
Try the small one.
We are going on the Hippogriff ride.
So everyone's watching a light show and we're just walking to the front of the rides.
For real. I'm scared.
It's pretty dark. Yeah, you did it! Hello. Oh! job. Release the dock wizard. Woo.
He now wants one too. We came back and got photos
Chasing
done,
us.
and I'm literally running away from Death Eaters because they fear the crap out of me. Oh my god, they're everywhere. Say hi, we're leaving. We are heading out. A full day at Universal.
Whole day. Wow.
Good stuff, good stuff. We just Uber Eats. We had such a long day, but it was a great day. We really made the most out of it all. Now I'm drinking tea because my throat is dying. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. We're just gonna eat here.
Bye.